Hey everyone, here's your Lockdown Lux how to color your own hair at home, do it yourself instructional video. Everything that you're gonna need to color your own hair at home with the most professional as possible results. Here you're looking at all of the things you're gonna wanna have on hand before you get started. So let's start by grabbing those necessary supplies. I recommend having on hand a large tooth comb to detangle and section the hair. In your kit, if you've purchased it from me, you will have a color mixing bowl. You will also have a color measuring cup. I also recommend that you can use a digital scale if you happen to have one, perhaps in your kitchen. You will receive also in your kit a shampoo cap and a tint brush for applying the color to the specific section of hair that needs to be colored, along with some gloves to protect the skin, which if you rinse them off are reusable for several uses. And I also like to throw in a few of the color wipes so that you can remove any stains from the hairline. It also wouldn't hurt to have 3 or 4 clips available. If you don't have those salon style clips, you can use any sort of hair clip you have around the house, but something that can hold the hair tightly. Clips are optional with the kit, so if you need to add some on, you can. Have a couple of small hand towels available, or maybe a paper towel, and you'll be ready to go. Step 1, sectioning the hair. Controlling the application for quality coverage. Section the hair down the center of the head, from the forehead to the nape, and then section the hair from the crown of the head to the ear on both sides, fastening each of the sections with a clip. Step 2, mixing your formula. When the hair is parted into 4 quadrants, wrap a towel around the neck and secure it with a clip to protect your clothing from the drips. Now you're ready to mix your formula. Put your gloves on to protect your skin. If you've purchased a kit, your formula is included on the record card. All measurements are made in milliliters. For reference, a full tube of color is equal to 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Some formulas require more than one color to be mixed in. I offer a discount on multiple tubes of color, and I can simplify most formulas if needed. For your roots and for gray coverage, I formulate with the Goldwell Top Chic Permanent Color. It is in the black box. To process, I use an enzyme developer instead of hydrogen peroxide. It's much gentler on the hair and scalp. I provide that in a 4-ounce glass bottle. These are the products you'll be mixing together to cover gray or roots. For the ends, I use Goldwell Colorants in the light blue box and mix it with the Colorants lotion. You'll notice that it's clear instead of creamy. This is a semi or demi-permanent color that refreshes faded color on the ends and improves the texture of previously tinted hair. This color does not cover gray or lift, it only coats or deposits. Note on your color formula record that Colorants is always mixed 2-to-1. That's 2 parts developer to 1 part color. Using the measuring cup, measure the amount of developer for the formula into the cup first, tapping to level. Then carefully add the color to the developer, tapping to even the distribution for measurement. Then pour the formula into the color bowl and whisk thoroughly to emulsify all the colors together with the developer evenly. Step 3, applying the color. Apply the color to all the partings of the 4 quadrants, starting at the front hairline. Once each section is outlined in color, release one section from the clip. Use the tail end of your application brush to separate no larger than 1/4 of an inch thick diagonal sections of that subsection, completely saturating both sides of each parting. Continue on through each quadrant, continuing to section from top to bottom, attempting to control the partings to control the application. The whole head should take you anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes, depending on hair density. Go back and apply any of the leftover color in the bowl to the front hairline to keep it from drying out. Once all the roots have been covered, you can rinse your bowl and brush and measure your formula for the ends, again, whisking thoroughly. With the demi-permanent color, you'll be taking slightly thicker sections in the same diagonal fashion that you took the sections for the roots, being sure to fully saturate all of the hair. This product is much runnier and a little easier to move through the hair. It's also easier to drip everywhere. I recommend you protect all precious surfaces with an old towel. The color can definitely stain just about anything. Once all 4 quadrants are covered, use a napkin, a piece of toilet paper, paper towel, or the enclosed Sanex strip and place it along the hairline before securing your hair in the processing cap. Set your timer for 30 minutes if you are doing roots only, 20 minutes if you are doing the roots and the ends together. Step 4. Wash and enjoy. When your processing time has elapsed, remove the cap and protective strip and prepare to shampoo and condition in the shower. Be sure not to get color in your eyes and to remove all residue from the bathroom surfaces to avoid stain. Once washed and conditioned, you can style as you see fit and enjoy the fruits of your labors. Shiny, healthy, happy hair. Remember, you can always contact me by phone or email and find more information on kits and ordering here on the Joy Rising website.